Hey, this is Dad Random, and I have in front of you here a real quick unboxing of the Fimi Palm. Now, what I did was I threw the Osmo Pocket and all the accessories that I purchased. Now, I think this was about $300 brand new. I bought it when it went on sale, but all these adapters and gizmos, this thing is well over $500 in cost. This was shipped to me DHL from Hong Kong for $199. This is the Fimi Palm. Now, I've had a chance to play with this a little bit, but I just want to do a quick unboxing so you can see, basically what this thing can do, and all of these devices here. Now, with the exception of the sound adapter, this does require a Type-C adaptive sound. But it comes equipped with a wide field of, I think it's 170 degree wide angle field of view lens. This thing is really, really slick that way. But let's check it out. So here we go, the Fimi Palm gimbal camera. All right. So it's very simple. This is not a fancy box at all. This is not an Apple. They did save money on the box, but guys, we're not going to use the box unless you plan on sticking it back in the box. But basically, really basic packaging, really simple. Doesn't bother me at all. The camera right away when you get it out is very similar in feel to the other camera. Right away you're going to notice this is just a little bit larger, and they give you a Type-C cable with a USB adapter. So there it is. Basically, this is where the Type-C is down here. Now, I believe, I'm looking at the accessories that are going to come out. This is going to be adapted where the power comes out. But what I've also seen is that this also will take the mic, the exterior mic. So here it is. That's it. This is what you get. It's very bare bones. You get, of course, the manual right there. Little silica pack in there. But that's pretty much it. That's right out of the box. That's what you basically get. This is boasting it's supposed to be Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Neither of those are functioning yet. The other thing is this does have a built-in joystick, where this one you had to use an external joystick. This one is a multi-function. So if you press it down, it actually will control the EV, and it will zoom. It actually has a zoom on it. It has a 3x optical zoom. And of course this acts, you long press it again, it actually acts as a regular joystick. And that is a 3-press button, a 3-function button. 1 press turns it on, 1 long press turns it on, 2 presses resets the gimbal, 3 presses will swivel the gimbal around. And we will, but look, this comes with a gimbal guard. Pretty amazing. Powers up just like its competitor. Basically, you hold down the power button, comes to life. You can see a little bit different in how the gimbal is basically it's not stabilized on the opposite side. Here, I'll do the 3-press, let it go ahead and turn on. Oh, no SD card. Let's see if it'll, yeah, there we go. That's all. Oops. I got in the way of the gimbal. There we go. Now it's facing towards you, and I can turn the gimbal up. There you go. And we'll adjust it. So there she is. There is the Fimi Palm. So far, guys, so far so good. Pretty intuitive, but there are some things that are different about the touchscreen. I'll talk a little bit about that at a future time. But there it is. There's the unboxing of the Fimi Palm. There's your 1/4-inch adapter screw. SD card slot, lanyard slot. This did not come with a lanyard. This is a very, very early item. Let's see. There's 3 clicks. Oops, there we go. Hold on here. There, the gimbal is going, oh, hey, what are you doing here? There we go. All right, I'm funking with it, but very robust, very similar in feel. So the Fimi Palm, first impressions and unboxing. This is Dad Random. Guys, I will be giving you some in-depth first impression view of this very soon. So check it out. Look for my next videos. But as you can see, this thing will replace a lot of these gadgets and gizmos. $199, guys. $199 shipped from China. Later and bye.